Well, go on traders, yeah, the traders here again. So just another early morning update. So if you want to get the notification, guys, early notification even before the stock market open, don't forget to subscribe so you can get that little pop-up so you can see what's going to happen with the market for the day, and you don't have to really sit all day and watch to see what the stock will be doing. So, giving some early morning tips, so to speak. All right, so for Mullen, it still continue to do what we hope it would do in terms of giving us a little bit of movement upward, not much. A bit of consolidation. So if you look here, you would see that for yesterday, Mullen kind of moved up a bit from 38 cents all the way up to, you keep testing this 40 cents level. If you, let me zoom in a little bit here, guys. Let me zoom all the way in and make this chart a little bit bigger. So if you see here for yesterday, let me zoom some more. If you see for yesterday, it keeps going up to the 40 cents level, come back down, and it keeps retesting that 40 cents level even in aftermarket, and pre-market tested the 40 cent level and has come back down a little bit. So what is kind of happening, guys, is the stock is testing a psychological resistance. So what I mean by psychological resistance is that in the mind of investors, round numbers matter. So, if you think about like 30 cents, 40 cents, 50 cents, or even 45 cents, so those numbers matter. So what it's doing is actually trying to test this little mini resistance here, which we saw way back, this was around October thereabout, October, November. It's testing that little mini resistance there. So what we want to see is for the stock to pop above the 40 cents. And I did say from Monday that this is going to be happening for basically this week, and it's actually next week is when we're going to see. We hope to see movement, volume coming in and stock popping. But for now, once we get above the 40 cents mini resistance here, then we'll see movement back up to the major resistance, which is between 46 cents and 59 cents. This is where the major resistance is. So let's take a look and see what's going on with Yahoo Finance. So for Yahoo Finance, the stock had moved up around 6% yesterday. My video yesterday said it will move 18%. So that 18% doesn't mean that it's going to move in 18% in one day. Although when I had predicted the 27%, when was it? Last week or the week before, it did move up to 27%. But we're hitting up on a little resistance here, guys. So, give thanks that we still got a positive movement in the direction where I said it will go. So it moved up 5%, pulled back around 1% here. So that's 4%. So we have another 14% to go before it actually hit that major resistance. In terms of market cap, we were at 660, I think it was around 660 yesterday, or no, 664, I think. So, and now it's at 662 million. So it's basically flat, there has not been any sell-off of the stock, so people are anticipating, maybe watching to see what will happen. So people are right now holding, or the number of buyers and sellers of the stock are basically equal, so to speak. In terms of average volume, it's at 226 million. and the volume is a little bit, that the volume that came in is a little bit lower than that. So yeah, not much happening. We need volume to tick up a bit more for us to get through that little 40 cent resistance. Neo, in terms of comparables, Neo moved up a bit yesterday. I did an extra video on Neo yesterday as a little bonus. You guys got me up to 63 subscribers, and just to say thanks, I push out an extra video on Neo. So actually I'm now at 69 subscribers, so thanks again, guys. You're getting me closer to the 100. In terms of comparables, Lucid moved up a bit. Not sure what's going on with Lucid, but it's a little bit disappointed from my end in terms of what I think the company is and the quality of car they're producing. But that's another story for another day. And Rivian moved up 3.8%. In terms of the earnings, they keep moving this earnings date or earnings target. So I'm not sure what's going on there, guys. But I'm not going to focus on that for now. So let's take a look and see what's going on with the options. So, sorry. In terms of the call options, we were at 39,000 yesterday, and now we are at 73. So there is volume coming in, guys. Volume is coming in with regards to the call options. The open interest for tomorrow, 34,000. So that's pretty much standard in terms of where we were the day before. Okay, here, this is interesting. We were constantly at around 70 plus. I think it was 77,000 in terms of open interest for next week, and so it's now has ticked up to 80,000. So definitely the calls are coming in for next week, guys. And for January 27th, we're still at around a lower figure, 22,000 in terms of open interest. Alright, so that's it for me, guys. Just a quick update in terms of what I think will be happening for the stock for today. So if we get over the 40 cents, we will see a movement upward to retest maybe the 45. But if we stay below the 40 cents, then you could see a little bit of consolidation below the 40 cents, or maybe even a little pullback all the way down to the 36 cents. But overall, the stock is moving in the right direction. The trend is looking strong. There's no major sell-off. So well, for me, I'm very bullish on the stock itself. So as per usual, guys, if you like this type of content, give me the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, take care, guys, and that's it for today.